Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So for audiophiles and anyone who appreciates crystal clear sound, Ultra HD is where Amazon Music really shines. So Ultra Audio offers up to 10 times the detail of standard streaming. We are talking about 24 bits and like 192 kHz lossless quality that reveals every instrument, bridge, and even any detail in recording. But like Dolby Atmos, Ultra HD is only for Amazon Music Unlimited subscribers. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to find and browse all the Ultra HD music in Amazon's catalog, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Before even going through all of this, you must first confirm your subscription. Ultra HDS, as I just said, is available to Amazon Music Unlimited subscribers only. Prime and free tiers are limited to standard definition or SD. Find HD or Ultra HD sections by opening the Amazon Music and tap the Browse tab. Make sure you are logged in into your correct account, then look for sections labeled HD, Ultra HD, or High Definition. These might be featured on the home screen or under a dedicated tab. After this, we're gonna go and tap to enter the HD or Ultra HD hub. Explore your curated collection. Inside you will find playlists and albums curated specifically for high resolution audio. Talking here about Ultra HD playlist, it's a mix of the best sounding tracks, HD hits, popular songs in high definition, or any audiophile selections, tracks prized for their production quality. You will be also to see any new releases in Ultra HD. Tap any playlist to start listening, then identify the Ultra HD content elsewhere. As you basically browse albums and songs, look for the Ultra HD badge. It usually appears next to the songs or album title. That's it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.